Good morning, everybody. We're out here at the coop and I made the girls some breakfast, so I wanted to bring you guys along. So you can see here, I got my bowl with some greens and some eggs, and as soon as the girls heard me, out they came. Who's excited this morning? Who wants breakfast? Okay, back up, back up. Okay, so it looks like it was a hit. So it's another thing that you can feed your chickens is their eggs. I know it sounds kind of weird, but it's actually really good for them, a good source of protein, and helps keep them full. And as you can see, they really enjoy it. So thanks a lot for coming along, and we'll see you next time out here on the homestead.